Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to apply Pune ePass online. So there is a separate website created by Pune Police to create ePass online. So I'm going to tell you the step-by-step procedure to create and download the pass online. So let's go to the video, guys. So let's search for the actual website to apply for the ePass online. So we need to search for COVID Pass Maharashtra. So this website link is displayed. So from here you can navigate to Pune's ePass application online, or you can directly go to COVID Pass Pune. You have a link created by Pune Police which takes directly to the digital pass section where you need to fill in. So there are two ways of search, and here also when you select this option Maharashtra Police, so you go to this site where you can, this is the general website to create a apply pass for all the districts. So we'll go apply here. That's what I'm done. I'm inside the website here. So this is the option which is shown. Do you need to visit outside Maharashtra? So I'll say no. I'll say submit. Then I'll select I want to go to Pune city here. So where is Pune city? So it directs me to a different website called punepolice.in. So already I was in the website, so maybe this has taken me to that website. So here this is the form, digital pass application forms opened for you. So it's very simple and it has very minimum information that needs to be entered. So let me show the options. So first option is travel destination. So it asks whether you want to travel to within Pune, inter-district or interstate. So let's go one by one here. So I'll select within Pune. So if you want to travel within Pune, what is the reason you're traveling? So you have to get all this, one of these reasons which best matches for you. So as a regular person, I will go out to get ration, grocery and everything. So I can select this option. So you have other options also, what purpose you're going. So based on this selection, your other option will be populated here. So based on the selection reason, you have to enter the appropriate details here. So that I'll let you know later. So here I'm entering ration grocery purpose. So here we need to enter which department you are going. So local shop name, whatever name you are going, you have to enter here. Full name, your name. Okay, grocery shop name, full name. Let's say Ranjit. So you have to select your photo here. So I have already kept a sample photo. So it's waiting. So select your photo here. So your photo gets attached. So it's attached. Selected gender, date of birth, appropriate date of birth, whatever it's your date of birth as per your ID proof, please enter it. So let's enter this date of birth here. Mobile number, valid mobile number. So this is the mobile number which is used, used for sending all the status message regarding this pass. So it's either approved or rejected. You'll get the message in the mobile number. So I'll enter one mobile number here. Valid number 23456789109. So 10-digit mobile number. Then you have to enter your Aadhaar card number. So this is mandatory. You will say your Aadhaar card number here. So in sample basis, I have entered some number here. So you have to enter the Aadhaar card number mentioned in your card. Vehicle number. So which vehicle you are traveling, you have to enter that number here. So let's say some vehicle number here. So from date to date, which date you are going to travel actually. So let's say you want to travel on this date, and to date you can put a later date here. So maybe I'll say 10th of 7th of July, 10th of July. So from location, so my location, I will say my location is this. From location police station, so this is from location nearest police station you have to enter, and then which location you are, so you have to enter. So proper area here. So which place you are going, so you can select any place which you are going. So and the nearest police station of the destination place you have to enter, and to location, so let's say some name you want to go. So since you have entered the ration, grocery, vegetables, so you have to enter the establishment number. So if it is licensed, there will be some number, so try to get that and enter, because this pass you are going to use it on regular basis to travel within Pune, so that's the purpose. So here it's saying valid number, so let's just this for a sample purpose, so it's not a valid number here, so that's not a problem. So you make sure that you enter a valid Aadhaar card number here. So I declare, so declare that do not suffer from any COVID related symptoms. You have to declare self declaration here. Not living in containment zones. So if you are in containment zones, you are not supposed to travel. And again, you have to say that you are not a robot here. So that's it, you're done. You have to submit here. You will get one SMS to your mobile with a application number, so that with that number you can go and track your request here. So tracking will be available here. So based on that, you will get the status here, and then if it is approved, you can download the pass. So next is like inter-district. So if you want to go from one district to other district, so this is also one option, like Pune to Sholapur, let's say. Select this. So what is the purpose? So you say that I'm a standard individual here, and my name is here, your photo, all these details are same. Then so you make sure you enter all the valid information. So if you have arranged for a vehicle, so select the vehicle. So if you have a vehicle, then you have to enter a valid number here. So whatever number vehicle you have arranged. So in case you are coming by train or bus, say flight, sorry, public bus, you get this information because the officials will contact you with the information of it is because it's saying if you have not arranged for a vehicle, your request cannot be acted immediately. So they will club it with a group travel, and they will later intimate you that your pass is approved. So in case you want to use a public transport, so train, same thing. So in case you have own vehicle, that is not a problem. You need to enter that number, vehicle number here. So let's say the vehicle number is something like this. So enter it here. So add the passenger details. So if you have some relatives with you, please make sure you enter their full name, mobile number, and Aadhaar card. So you can add your relatives details here. So from date and planning to return via same route, you can say yes if you want to return. So once you go to your native, somehow you have to return back. So better you can mention approximate date here. So maybe you can say that September I'm going to come back when the situation is under control. So again, you have to enter from police station, from district, from location, everything, to district, everything, and to location also, and remarks what is the purpose you are traveling. So since you are selected standard individual, you have to say that came to attend a marriage function, and I was not able to go back. Now I want to go back now. So this is the reason here. So you have to upload all the relevant documents, upload permission received. So in case you want to go to a different district, from that district authorities you need a permission. So and you can check for the online options to get some approvals. So you can just copy that and attach it here. Upload a medical certificate. So you need to go to your local doctor and get a medical certificate and attach it here. And self declaration, beyond all this you need to approve, you need to upload a self declaration form also, stating that you are very good, you don't have any problems. And same thing, you need to agree to the conditions here, declarations. Then you say I'm not a robot. This is done, all you're done, you have to directly submit. And same thing, you will go here and track your application. So let's go interstate also. So interstate, same list of reasons you have, like inter-district, it is interstate. So for interstate also you need to have some permissions, I guess. So upload permission received. So from your state. If you are going to different state, every state has its own online ePass system. So you need to go to that state's online website and apply, get the pass approved. Then you have to apply from here. So it's a two-way communication. So both states going out of one state and coming inside different state for both, you have to have this pass ready. So based on that, if you apply, so if you have all this document correctly with you, there shouldn't be any problem. Your request gets approved and you can travel without any problem. Because if you miss on something, then it will be again problem, like you need to go again and apply it again and wait it. So make sure that you have everything ready and then go and apply for the pass. So let's see how the tracking happens. So this is the token number. So once you complete the application, as I said, you get a SMS or to the registered mobile number, and you have to enter that code number and your mobile number through which you have generated this application. Enter both of this and click this and search. So it will be, your application details will be listed. So you can see what is the status, if it is under review, if it is rejected, or if it is approved. So if it is rejected or review, you need to wait. If it is approved, you can directly download that pass and keep it with you and show it to the police authorities whenever they ask you. So this is a simple process. I said a step-by-step procedure to apply the ePass online. So guys, in case you have any kind of queries, please feel free to enter in the comment section here. I'll give all the links in the description section. So please do subscribe and share it with your friends.